Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan ERP. In this demonstration video, I am going to give a walkthrough of the production module and the manufacturing module in our system. So, to begin with, I'll just give a brief about what the production module is. Production module and the manufacturing module, we will use it together to produce some finished products from some raw materials. So, to begin with, first we need to look into some basics which will be defined in the system at the beginning, and then we will move into the following process on how to produce the following materials. To begin with, first I'll show you how to add the items in the system. So to give a demonstration, I'm taking an example of producing drones out of two parts of the drone, which will be the wings and the body of the drone, and the finished product will be the drone. So to begin with, first I will move to the items module. So in the items module, first I'll click on add, and I'll add the drone. For example, I'll add the drone item code, for example DRN. Present selling price, I'll keep it for 00 now. The UM will be pieces. The alternate UM, let us take for example kg. What is the category? It will be your product. What is the item group? I have created some item group and opening category randomly, and then I'll select if I have any opening stock balance in which warehouse I'll be putting that drone into. So I will select, for example, as it is a product, I'll select the warehouse target which I have created, and in stock opening balance, I'll consider, for example, my opening stock as of now of the drone product is 5, and stock opening value as it is the opening value, I'll consider it as 0. So taxability, I'll put like a taxable, then DST rate, for example, is 15%. Is it enabled? Yes. Maintain stock? Yes. And then all this thing we will be assigning. And in the barcode, for example, I'll choose this barcode. And I will save. So the drone item has been added into our system. So before moving into making the raw materials or the spare parts to make the drone, I will give you a brief about what the UOM, barcode, and warehouse are to be created. So for example, we just need to go to UOM, like unit of measurement, and in this module, we will be adding different UOMs in the system. And for barcode, we will go to the barcode module and add different barcodes into the system. So I have already added 1234790 barcode in the system. So if I open it, so I have this barcode which has been generated by the system automatically by just giving the information over here. So I'll move back to the items and I'll define the raw materials required to create the drone. So I'll click on add, and now I'll add the drone body. DBDY, for example, is the item code. The category, I'll choose it as raw material. Quantity, the unit of measurement, I'll be choosing pieces. Let the alternate unit of measurement be kg. Item group, I'll choose group as it is the same. The warehouse, I'll be selecting as this is the raw material I'm considering. So I'll choose, for example, warehouse as source. Stock opening balance. Let me consider I already have in my stock 10 opening stock value. If I have any value, I'll put it here, or otherwise I'll put 0. I'm considering 50 for now. Taxability, let us take it as unknown, which will be used later on in the purchase and sales module. And maintain stock, and I will just save the changes. So after defining the drone body, I'll be making the drone wings. So drone wings will be your raw material pieces. warehouse source. I'll consider I have 20 wings as of now, of 0, and I'll maintain stock and I'll save the product. So this is how I have added the different items into the product.